Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and I wanted to take just a minute to show you how I'm going to paint my dried hydrangeas. I've got several that I've been saving. I've had them in the garage so they're nice and dry, and I'm going to decorate my mantle for fall. I'm going to use some that dried a kind of a prettier green, just as in a natural state, but some of these others I'm going to paint. I've got some orange and some blue spray paint that I got at Walmart. One is Floral and the other is Rust-Oleum. So the first thing you want to do is kind of shake your hydrangeas so anything loose will come off, and go ahead and remove the dead leaves because they will come off. So just go ahead and take those off. And I'm going to go ahead and leave my stems long because I may use these on my mantle, and then sometimes I may want to use them in an arrangement, or even last year I even used them in my Christmas tree. I spray painted them for fall, and y'all, I'm outside, so if something walks up, I spray painted them for fall, and then Christmas I turned around and sprayed them again with the red paint. So I'm going to start with this blue, and I'm not going to spray it, you know, completely solid. I'm just going to just gonna hit it a little bit. Not gonna make it solid blue. I'm gonna leave some green, okay? And I'll just lay that aside. And the orange, of course you want to shake your cans up, you know, really, really good before you start. I'm gonna do the same with the orange. I'm just gonna kind of hit it a little bit. I want to make sure that paint doesn't get on my phone. I'm going to do a little more of the orange paint because I want the orange to show up on my mantle. Now this, it looks pretty bright right now, but it will dry a little bit more subtle than that. I like the way it looks when it dries. And you know, when you paint them, each bloom, they never come out the same. They're all just a little bit different. Do another orange one. I don't know if they look different because maybe they came off a different bush, or, you know, or what. This gold paint is, you know, it just depends on what you're spraying, I guess. But I mean, it doesn't make it come out, you know, like bright gold. But it really just gives it kind of a, I don't know, kind of a muted look. Kind of a light sage green. Like that. Well, there they are after I finished them. I think they turned out great. They're different shades of red, which that's fine. I've got different shades on my tree, and they're kind of more of a burgundy. They took up the color differently, you know, based on whether I had previously painted them with copper or had left them natural. But I like the way they turned out. So as soon as they dry, this is 2 coats of just metallic red, and as soon as they dry, I'll put them on my tree.